Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is April 13, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 14.5 points to 2678.5 per contract. All in all, the futures have had a pretty good week. It's been a stair-stepping week, but nonetheless, markets have creeped higher so far. We'll see how we finish going into the weekend. All right, we have bank stocks in focus today. All of the big banks, not all of them, but most of the big banks reporting earnings today. We'll start off with the biggest one, which is Jpmorgan Chase. You're going to see this stock right now trading at 115.08. That's up from the close of 113.37. That's a good move. I'm going to give this stock the upside to 116.50. I think that's where the stock really stalls out. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, kind of leave it alone. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings today. But this does have upside potential to around 116.50 today. So keep that on the radar. Next bank stock we're going to take a look at is going to be Wells Fargo. WFC is the ticker symbol here. This stock not faring as well, but again, it is up a little bit. It closed at $52.70. It is now trading at $53.10. All in all, when you look at Wells Fargo, it's really been in a sideways range here for about 3 weeks or so, and I think that could remain the case. So we'll keep it on the radar, and we'll see how this one plays out. We'll be watching for intraday patterns there, but Wells Fargo in focus today. We also want to take a look at Citigroup. Citigroup today is trading at $73.30. This closed at $72.13. So this is upticking a little bit as well. When I look at this one, this could have upside potential. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see what kind of pattern we get. Maybe it's a play we'll get, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. But again, bank stocks are in focus. Let's stick with the same theme there. Let's go to Pnc Financial. Pnc right now trading at $150. Closed at $152.49. So this one is trading down a little bit. There looks to be a fair amount of daily chart support around 147 if it gets there. So we'll look at that one if it does trade down a little bit lower, but a pretty good amount of support at 147, at least at the moment. So we'll see how it plays out. We'll see if it does get down to that level. There could be a play in that stock around that area. Let's take a look at MBIA. Ticker symbol is MBIA. MBI, there we go. And the company name is MBIA Inc. This stock is right now trading at around 10.59, closed at 10.85. So a little bit of down ticking there. I'm not exactly sure of the news, but it is on my wire. NCA is also getting hit this morning. This is trading down a bit. We're going to keep this on the radar. I think I see a pretty good level. So believe it or not, even though it is an $11 stock, I do see a pretty good level here, and I'm going to keep it on the radar today. Again, if it does trade down to my level, I think there could be a play. It would be sub 10. Looking at Qualcomm today, there's chatter that the former CEO wants to take the company private. Stock right now is trading at $56.68. You could tell we're getting closer to options expiration. Again, I'm not seeing a great move in Qualcomm, so the market's obviously thinking this is a long stretch for this to happen, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see where we go. Let's take a look at AVGO, which is Broadcom. This stock is popping this morning. Real big pop. Closed at $239.43. It is now trading at $250. This is on the back that the company is going to issue immediately a $12 billion share repurchase program. So, again, it's going to take some time to pick up all those shares, but nonetheless, the stock is popping on that news, and that's a real good surge. This stock actually has room to run to the upside. That's a strong gap this morning. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where we go. All right, shifting gears here a little bit. Let's go over to crude oil today. Crude oil right now trading up about 10 cents to $67.17 a barrel. Oil has been very strong this week. A lot of geopolitical tensions going on in the Middle East, especially in Syria, and that is keeping a premium in crude oil. Right now, the USO trading at $13.53. That's basically right where it closed yesterday. Looks like we have gold down about 10 cents today to $1,341.70 a barrel, 70 cents an ounce. Gold has been a little bit on the weaker side yesterday. You did have a pretty good sell-off there. Today, it's basically just a touch higher from yesterday's close on the GLD, and spot price is down about 10 cents here before the opening bell. All right, we should get some good action today. We got some movement in the bank stocks. We also have Zillow Group. I'm going to give that level out in the intraday stock chat room. It's a light volume name, so it does come with a little higher risk, but I am seeing a good level around 46.60. We should get pretty good activity out here. We'll see what we get this morning. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. Hopefully we get some good action out here. We got lots of banks in motion, and we also have some other names, some chip stocks as well. So again, we'll see how this all plays out today. I want to wish everybody a great session, and we'll see you all on the charts.